x to the power 4 equal x to the power square whole square plus 4 equal to the power square a square plus b square a plus b whole square minus 2ab x square plus 2 the whole square minus 2 to 4 x square plus 2 whole square 4x square 2x whole square a square minus b square a plus b a minus b. That's the answer. X square plus 2a x square plus 2x plus 2 whole into x square minus 2x plus 2. That's the answer.